Okay, guys, it's me, Marlon. We're back, guys, in the second video of this series. I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about the three components of a problem-solving marketing system slash sales funnel, okay? In the last video, we talked about one of the best businesses to be in, guys, is the problem-solving business. We talked about the countless 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money from home or to start their own business or just to make a little extra income. And we talked about the fact, guys, that if you could show enough people to get what it is they want in life, that you could actually start having some of the things that you want in life as well, okay, by becoming problem solvers. Okay, so I told you guys in this video we were going to be speaking about the three components of the actual problem solving marketing system or problem solving marketing and sales funnel. And so that's what we're going to start talking about in this particular video. I'm excited about this video, particularly because, guys, what I want to do is I want to get you guys more interactive. So what you're going to have an opportunity to see and learn throughout this short video series, you're going to see this whole system. You're going to see how your problem-solving marketing system actually works. It's interactive. I'm going to invite you guys to actually step into the problem-solving marketing system in and of itself, and then you guys are going to get a very thorough understanding about how your problem-solving marketing system works. And again, guys, I only have two other videos in this series where I'm going to show you guys some samples of what I'm talking about in terms of the third component. But after you see all these things, guys, and you're in this place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able to actually lay the foundation that you guys oftentimes hear me talking about in terms of developing a skill set to go out and market and promote anything you want, you're going to be able to do just that. Now, before we get into the actual three components, let me say this. Believe me, guys, at some point in time, it's great to go online. It's great to sit in on the different webinars and get into the Facebook groups and learn all kinds of great information that the people inside the Facebook groups are sharing, and inside your members areas of different services or business opportunities you're involved with. But at some point in time, guys, we have to make the decision to transition from spectator, right? The transition from spectator to player. And the way that you transition from spectator to player, guys, is get in the game. I got a video up on YouTube where I use the baseball analogy, and I talk about, if you understand the game of baseball, you can make money online. And I had a lot of fun with that particular video because I was talking about home plate being getting started, okay? Because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the very first step. Then I went on to talk about how to get to first base, second base, and third base, and then, of course, guys, how to naturally have a home run. In that particular analogy, the home run was the fact that if you can make your first sale online, people, ladies, gentlemen, if you can make your first sale online, if you can do that once, then you can do it again. Okay, if you can do that once, you can do it again, because all you have to do after you made your first sale is simply do the exact same thing that you did to make that first sale. In other words, guys, you simply wash, rinse, and repeat. Wash, rinsing, and repeating is responsible for me doing over $6,000 in sales in a single day, guys, okay? And it was actually done on complete automation. Anyway, I'll talk a little bit more about that in the subsequent videos. But in this particular video, guys, let's get into the first component of your problem-solving marketing system, or your problem-solving marketing system slash sales funnel. The number one component, guys, is the capture page. You're looking at an actual capture page right now that I set up exclusively, particularly for this example, okay? Because what's the purpose of the capture page? Let's talk about it. The purpose of the capture page, guys, is to begin collecting the names and or email addresses of potential prospects, okay? Remember, we talked about that 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money online? Well, you want to be building a list of those individuals, guys, because they're out there, right? So by having a capture page, you can start building a list of those potential prospects. Now, does that mean that everybody that comes into your capture page is going to be looking for your particular business opportunity, product, and service? You never know, guys. You never know. But the point is, by capturing the names and email addresses, and what we're going to be talking about later, is you'll have them in a contact management or a database where you can continue to follow up with these potential prospects anytime you want on complete automation. So that's what the purpose of the capture page is, guys. Keep that in mind when you start thinking about your problem-solving marketing system, okay? Because if you can collect the names and email addresses of potential prospects, then you can follow up with those potential prospects anytime you want on complete automation. Now, here's where it gets interactive, and here's where I get even more excited. And hopefully, if you guys become a part of this process, you're going to get excited, because right now in this video, you're going to actually be able to see how I take my capture page, guys, and move to the second component of what the three components of the problem-solving marketing system is. And the second component is a high converting offer. We talked about that, right? What's a high converting offer? You know, we talked about it before. It's a product and a service, right? In this particular example, should I say, it's an actual money-making opportunity, okay? It's a great money-making opportunity, and it's something that that person's already searching for. So component number one is having that capture page to collect the name and email addresses of these potential prospects. And then in component number two, we take them people that's coming onto our list, that's coming into our capture page, and we redirect them to that high converting offer. So we're going to end this video, guys, by me challenging you guys to go ahead on. There's a link right below this particular video, if you guys are on YouTube, that you can click, and you're going to get to see the actual problem-solving marketing system in action. Because when you enter your email address into the capture page, I'm going to take you guys over to the actual high converting offer. Okay, watch the video, understand the video, and understand that this is the particular opportunity that I'm talking about right now. I'm drawing you guys an illustration around this opportunity so that you understand how you can go out here and start doing this thing on your own. Okay, so go ahead on, guys. If you're on YouTube, if you're on this video on YouTube, click the link just below this YouTube video. It's going to take you to this particular page. Go on, enter your name, or should it just say your email address, and watch me redirect to that high converting offer that I'm talking about. Now, in the next video, guys, we're going to be talking about the third and final components of your problem-solving marketing system. I'm going to tell you right now that the third component consists of traffic and exposure. So be prepared, guys, in the next video, where I'm not only going to start talking about the third component being traffic and exposure, but I'm actually going to give you guys my #1 recommended source for free traffic and exposure. Okay, so go ahead on, click the link below this video. Again, if you're on YouTube, be taken over to the high converting offer. Understand that that's steps 1 and 2 in your problem solving marketing system in terms of the 3 components. And then, guys, if you guys are on my website already, all right, because I'm building a website out around this, just click the link below this particular video, and you'll be able to go over to the actual high converting offer as well. In fact, I got a super surprise for you guys. When you do that, when you put your name and email address inside, guys, look at your email, because in your email there's going to be a message that says, here's your high converting offer. How about that, guys? You don't have to do anything but just follow along. Okay, as always, this is your boy Marlon O, Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I'll see you in video 3 of this particular video series, and we'll talk about traffic and exposure.